when your partner says, let's keep our relationship secretly, that person doesn't love you. Why he is saying, let's keep our relationship secretly, we don't want people to know about our relationship. You understand? That person, he is not a married person. You understand? Because why he is keeping your relationship secretly? Why is hiding your relationship? You know that a person who is deeply in love with you, guys, when you are deeply in love with a person, you can't hide your relationship for a long time, because sometimes you can hide, but you can't hide it for a long time. You understand? People who know, guys, when you are deeply in love with a person, you can go crazy. You understand? Sometimes you can go crazy by loving a person. That person doesn't love you, because especially he is not married. Why he is saying, let's keep our relationship secret? He doesn't want his partner to know. Maybe he have got another partner. You understand? In relationship, it happened. You understand? Why he is saying, let's keep our relationship secretly? He is not married. You understand? He doesn't want people to know about your relationship. You understand? Because sometimes, guys, when a person says, let's keep our relationship secret, especially a man, you have to know that he have got another partner. You understand? But he doesn't want people to know that he is in relationship with that person. You understand? Sometimes maybe he is shamed that he doesn't want people to know that you are in a relationship. Maybe he is shaming with you or something, or you don't dress well. Because sometimes men can hide your relationship because maybe he doesn't want to tell your dressing. Maybe you are not dressing good. Understand? He doesn't want people to know, because he doesn't want people to know about your relationship. Because sometimes maybe you are not dressing good. He doesn't. Sometimes, guys, men, you have to maintain your woman, especially when you meet a woman, she doesn't have nice clothes. Buy a nice clothes and look beautiful. Because most of the men, they have shame that your girlfriend is not dressing well. You understand? Because she doesn't have good clothes, nice clothes. Buy a clothes. You understand? Especially, guys, when a person says, we don't want we want to have a secret relationship, you know that person, he is playing with you, or he calls you at night, or you can talk at night some most of the time, guys, you know that person, he is using you. You understand? Especially when a person, he is calling you at night, he doesn't want to talk to you in front of people. You understand? That person doesn't love you. Sometimes you have to open your eyes. Understand? Why he is keeping your relationship secret? He doesn't want people to know. You understand? You have to open your eyes sometimes.